Hi everyone, it's Larry Griffin at Heyward Allen Toyota in Athens, Georgia. Giving you a video here on an 02 Chevy S-10. This is our stock number Q2182. This has about 193,600 miles on it approximately. It's got good tires on it. I took this in on a trade-in just the other day. Has a camper shell on it as well. Here's the tires. Inside's pretty good condition for the year and all. Go around to the back. Open up the camper shell here so you can see. Bed liner in it. Give me a call. Best way to reach me is my cell phone number, 770-862-9652. And there you go. Thanks again. Look forward to seeing you here soon at Heyward Allen Toyota, Athens, Georgia. Have a great day. Bye-bye.